The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County in north-central Ohio, northwestern Richland County in north-central Ohio, Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, western Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County in north-central Ohio, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, northern Crawford County in north-central Ohio, Lorain County in north-central Ohio, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green Springs to near Bloomville to near Bucyrus, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Sandusky, Norwalk, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Port Clinton, Strongsville, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Shelby, Bellevue, Grafton, Clyde, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, and Green Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north-central, northeastern, and northwestern Ohio.